Here I have a Hilti SID 4-A22 impact driver. It's pretty obvious what's wrong with it. The chuck has fallen off and all the parts for the chuck are missing. So what I had to do is order the full complete chuck parts. That's the part number, it's a Hilti part number. I had to order this from Germany. It took 2 weeks to come here. It arrived this morning. So here we are. But I'll show you what's involved in this kit. Try not to lose too many of these bits. See, there's this part, and there's a little spring, a retaining clip, another retaining clip, a washer, 2 balls, and these 2 things. So the easiest parts to lose are these 2 balls because they roll away into oblivion if you drop them. So the first thing I want to do is put grease in here on both sides. I'm trying to effectively glue the balls in place so they don't get lost until I get this thing assembled. That's holding them on now. So that's a good tip when you're rebuilding these sort of chucks. Hold it in spring. These guys here now. One of them's on, one of them's sticking out. So let's eat that in them. See. Yep. One of them's on, one of them's not. That seems to be in position now, so I'll put the washer and the little clip on to see if it works. Yep, that works. I don't know if that's quite the right configuration, but it works. That's all I need to know. So that's how you fix the chuck on your Hilti SID 4-A22.